Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you will be practicing Skippy Frog. It's when you skip it, skip it. So, what I want you to do is skip over the highlighted word. As you can see, some of these really tricky words are highlighted. And see if you can figure it out by reading the rest of the sentence. Then go back and draw a picture that would go with that word in the box above. On my, I'm going to skip it, I get cake. On my I get cake. I think this tricky word is birthday. That makes sense. On my birthday, I get cake. Now I'm going to have my picture. There's me on my birthday with some cake. I want you to figure out the rest of these tricky words. Remember, in Skippy Frog, we read it, skip it, go to the end of the sentence, and come back and try it again.